So hello and welcome to everybody who has joined us for the build-up to this occasion of ultimate tribalism. And as you would expect, that build-up has been remarkable. They fight here not just for the pride of their manor, but in the ultimate show of one-upmanship. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. Well, it's as friendly as it can be in the circumstances, but you feel the rivalry.
Well, I think we know what we're in for, whatever the circumstances that exist when these two meet. Losing really isn't an option, making this another intense, feisty clash, which should keep everyone on edge. The fans are more nervous than the players, to me, confirming an atmosphere of angst. Try telling them there's nothing riding on this.
So off we go then. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Yeah, Jan Oblak. He's not someone you often see pulling off spectacular saves, but that's about the highest compliment you can give a goalkeeper, because it speaks to his positioning and his organisational abilities. He's just about the best there is when it comes to claiming crosses and high balls into the box too, and is just the kind of presence that spreads a composure and a confidence to his defence and throughout the team.
Yes, getting the best out of him will count for so much. He's got the shot away! Valverde. Koke. Llorente. He's had it nicked away. Oh, easy pickings there. Koke. Passing is crisp and sharp. Oh, and the shot! There it is! Well, how's that for a class finish?
Oh, that's just clever. He made the keeper think he was going one way, only to outfox him by going the other. Very nice.
So, a breakthrough already. Alexander-Arnold. Bellingham. Alexander-Arnold. Massive leap! And he has kept it out somehow.
Really anticipated that well, didn't he?
Played out towards the right wing. Ball's gone out of play. Goulet. And it's Rudiger.
Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet.
Alvarez. Oh, good spread. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. That's an untidy challenge. Free kick given. There could be trouble here. But for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. Real chance! Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome. And he's fouled him there. Is coming off in quick succession here. Raspadori! He scored! 2 up now, and they are cruising. Well, it would have been harder to miss.
It isn't rocket science, is it? You know, when you're defending, you react to the danger, but of course, you must spot it in the first place, and they didn't. You know, they're not really looking up to clip the runners, and it was a cheap goal to give away.
Starting to look very comfortable.
Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager screaming on the touchline, telling his team to calm down. But they'll need to do that pretty quickly. It's composure from here.
Forward it goes. Raspadori. Spread out to the left. Corner. Now it's Llorente. Chooses to go back. Had a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Normal and Javi Galan shifted upfield. Oh, he's caught him there. It's a free kick. Okay. Oh, and he's through the middle. Poulet. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. That's been won straight back. Mbappe. Good spot, he's chance! And it's in! And they are dragging it back! Game on again! Really tidily gathered, and ultimately a more than tidy finish.
Well, it doesn't have to look spectacular. Why complicate simplicity?
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, it was important they didn't get ahead of themselves and lose their discipline. This game plan could now well reward them with an equaliser.
And that's aimed into the middle. Oh, that's delightful. Can he get away here? Brahim Diaz. Aim forwards. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. And he's away. Alvarez! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
Alvarez really must be thinking what he has to do to score there.
Just eases him off the ball. Fiddles it through. Brahim Diaz. He's tried one! A really close shave, and the last action of the first half. Come in at half-time, largely satisfied with where they are. After a half which has certainly had its moments, has been lit up with some flair from time to time. The scoreline in their favour at the break, 2-1. Neither side holding back here. It has been quite a half, this.
Well, we've had plenty to go at in that first half, Peter, and it's a fragile lead that could quite easily change hands in the second. If you like your football unpredictable, I think you're at the right match.
And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
Now then, the ball's come loose. Mendy. Cleared away. There will be a throw-in. Koke. Galan. Spread neatly. Oh, that looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Just the talking to, I think. Yes, it is. Mbappe, who does have an assist to his name. Has ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Interesting ball. Oh, that's a key interception. Long ball by the goalkeeper. Lenormand. Passing is crisp and sharp. Raspadori. Llorente. That's Llorente. Oh, well, that is not a great touch.
Pity that, because it had a decent chance of progressing.
Well, he's felt that, hasn't he? Now, who's going to be first to this? He's found a way through. Now the finish! It's bounced out! Really well taken goal. He won't get many simpler than that, but he's certainly not complaining.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great poaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
We have ourselves a real game here.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
Llorente. He's a sharp little ball here. Mendy does really well to win the ball there. Another pass just keeps it ticking over. Looking for the runner. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Llorente has been caught there. It's a foul. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. Chouameni. Now it's Llorente. Just off target. A sudden chance to counter. Mendy.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Alexander-Arnold. Brahim Diaz.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
He ran himself into trouble there, free kick given away. To the goalkeeper. Llorente. Koke. Threads one in.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
It's gone out for a throw-in. Bellingham. No, he wasn't going to let him past. And it's Koke, looking for options for movement.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope. Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
And that has been cleared. There's going to be another change here.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's a foul in a dangerous area. Couple of changes then in quick succession.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy. You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Llorente.
Yeah, this kind of bold running will always get you into areas of possibility.
Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it. Start all over again with the goalkeeper, and that is that.